So this is just a quick video on a removal slash install on a 2006 Subaru Forester Model X. So basically, if you need to gain access to an ABS wheel speed sensor, it is located and found, the connector portion is found underneath the rear seats on these vehicles. I apologize that I did not get the removal part on camera. However, the install procedure, basically right here you'll see how to remove the seat. So these two 12mm bolts are located right here at the brackets, and usually these cars have plastic caps over these bolts, so all you have to do is pop off two plastic caps over each bolt to gain access to the bolts. And basically it's super easy. Two bolts, two plastic caps, and the seat just kind of pops right out. So the reason why I had to remove the seat on this vehicle was to gain access to the ABS connector, the right rear ABS connector for that wheel speed sensor, and I will show that on the video after this. So if you guys kind of need help with the location on those, it'll be shown on this video or on the next video. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys, and thank you for watching.